Today, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Microsoft Teams. Tags are a really useful feature that lets you quickly mention specific groups of people in your team without having to type out everyone's names individually, making team communication much more efficient. First things first, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your organization or workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Teams homepage where all your activity and channels are visible. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options. Click on Teams. This section displays all the teams you're a part of and the various channels within each team. It's essentially your hub for all group collaboration and communication. Next, you need to find the specific team and channel where you want to create your tag. Scroll through your list of teams until you locate the right one. This is important because tags are team specific, meaning they only work within the team where they're created. Once you've found your team, look for the three dots icon that appears beside the team name. This icon represents additional options and settings for that particular team. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with various options for managing your team. From this menu, click on Manage Tags. This option takes you to the Tag Management interface where you can view existing tags or create new ones. It's the central place for all tag-related activities within that team. Once you're in the Tag Management section, look toward the top right of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create Tag. Click on it to begin the process of setting up your new tag. This opens a dialog box where you'll configure all the details for your tag. In this dialog box, you'll first need to input a tag name. Choose something descriptive and relevant so team members immediately understand who the tag refers to. For example, you might use something like marketing team or project leads. Right below that, you'll see a field for tag description. This is optional but helpful for providing additional context about who should be included in this tag or when it should be used. After filling in those details, it's time to add members to your tag. Enter the name of a member you want to include. As you type, Teams will suggest matching names from your team roster. You can add as many members as you need to the tag by continuing to type and select names. This ensures that whenever you use this tag in a message, all these specific people will be notified. Once you've added all the necessary members and are satisfied with your tag setup, click Create. This finalizes the tag and makes it immediately available for use in your team channels. Your new tag is now ready to streamline your team communications. And that's it. You've successfully created a tag in Microsoft Teams. Now you can quickly mention entire groups of people with just one simple tag. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.